Most people who study real estate wholesaling never close a deal. Not because wholesaling doesn't work, not because the market is too hard, but because information alone doesn't create action. In this video, we're going to talk about why so many beginners stay stuck and what actually makes wholesale deals move forward. Welcome back to the REI Edge. This channel is about real estate education without the hype. Clear fundamentals, smarter decisions, and understanding how wholesaling works in the real world. If you watch videos and read guides and still feel stuck, this one is especially for you. Here's the trap that most beginner real estate investors fall into. They keep learning but never committing to action. More videos, more strategies, more tools. Learning feels productive, but without execution, it becomes a hiding place. At some point, information stops helping and starts delaying. Most people think they need more motivation. They don't. They need clarity. Clarity about what one wholesale strategy they're using, what their next action actually is, what progress looks like this week. Motivation comes and goes. Clarity creates momentum. That's why disciplined real estate investors move forward while motivated ones stall. This part is uncomfortable, but important. A lot of preparation is really fear in disguise. Fear of talking to motivated sellers, making wholesale offers, looking inexperienced, being told no. So people study instead of act. But wholesaling isn't mastery in theory, it's learned through conversations and decisions. Wholesale deals are closed by talking to real sellers, asking clear questions, making justified offers, following a simple process consistently. Not by knowing everything, but by knowing enough to move forward. Every experienced wholesaler started imperfectly. Progress comes from reps and not readiness. We focus on fundamentals over complexity, process over pressure, progress over perfection. The goal isn't to make wholesaling feel easy, it's to make it clear. Because clarity creates action, and action creates results. If you feel stuck, here's where to reset. Pick one strategy. Define one clear next step. Take action before you feel ready. You don't need more content, you need a clearer path. That's what this channel is here to provide. If you want real estate education that moves you from learning to doing, subscribe to the REI Edge. In the next videos, we'll break down how to make wholesale offers confidently, how to build momentum without overwhelm, how to close wholesale deals consistently. Because in real estate investing, progress doesn't come from knowing more. It comes from doing the right things clearly. Clarity is the edge.